Hello guys, this is Adrian, and I'll be showing you a review for the Blizzard Champion Beast by Innova Disc Golf. It has 10 speed, 5 glide, -2 turn, and 2 fade. And the fade means how much it'll go down sooner or later. And this is a distance driver, so it's supposed to go really far. And if you check out the Boss Disc Golfer channel on YouTube, you will see that my cousin Aaron, he shows you this disc in an in the bag video, and that's because I bought it from him. No, I traded it, sorry. And maybe I should, and I'll show you some throws out in my backyard.